To set up a hotspot on Motorola Moto G86 Power, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our device. Next step is to enter network and internet, and then we can move to hotspot and tethering. Here select your Wi-Fi hotspot, then you can activate or deactivate it here with the switch. Next thing is to change your hotspot name. You can adjust it however you like. Then wait a while until it's reset. Then you can move to security and choose whether or not you want to have password. If you want to have it, pick either WPA2, WPA3, and etc. If you don't want password, select none. But in this case, we're gonna go for the WPA2. Then we can adjust the password. You can also see the current password right here. If you click on it, you can change it to whichever one you like. Keep in mind that it needs to have at least 8 digits. Then you can adjust the speed and compatibility options, change between 2.4G or 5G networks. If you decide on 2.4G, your internet might be a bit slower, but it will increase accessibility for your network. That means more devices will be able to connect. If you go for 5G, only devices with 5G connection will be able to connect, but your internet will be faster. You can also activate Wi-Fi 6 hotspot, but that's the same thing. If other devices won't support it, they won't be able to connect. You can hide your device in the hotspot, and then you can adjust timeout settings. That means if somebody if nobody connects to your network for a certain amount of time, or they just move out from that connection, your hotspot will automatically turn off. And finally, you can manage devices. So adjust, you will see all of the, you'll be able to adjust and see all of the devices that are currently connected. So for example, remove them if you like. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.